Please be advised this show is intended for audiences above the age of 18. The show will contain swearing and dark humor throughout. If you feel this is not for you, please turn off now. Thank you. Round Sound Radio.
We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio.
Nice to see you, to see you.
Round Sound Radio, Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hecate, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Boys and girls, how are we on this wonderful Thursday night? My name is Doug Front, and you're listening to Round Sound Radio. We are back with the top 40, guys. We've been away for a bit with the festivities and all that kind of nonsense, but we are back, and we've had a major shake-up to how things will be done in the future. Basically, we used to take the stats as a whole. What's up with this microphone? We used to do the stats as a whole, basically throughout the whole show, but what we're going to start doing from now on, we are rebooting it every single week, so new entries of a Sunday have a very real chance of going straight to number one the following Thursday. So much more realistic. There might be a few of you who are a little bit sad with the results tonight. There might be a few of you that are ecstatic, but stats don't lie, guys. You know the drill. Right, let's crack on with it. Number 20, it's down 2 this week. It's Clockwork Eyes with Guns and Arrows. You're still going strong, lads. You're still here. Tunage. We will have Luke online on Sunday as well. on the blower, having a little chat to us about what them and the band have been up to. So very much looking forward to that. Right, at number 19 this week, guys, it's Down 18. Down 18, it's Jimmy and the Revolvers, The Morning Paper. They're still in it, but as we all know, the band have split up now, which was very, very sad news.